Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve day 16 mail LeetCode challenge. So problem name is odd even linked list. Given a linked list group of all nodes together followed by even nodes means, and we have to do in a order of one space and complexity and order of n time complexity. What we have to do is firstly we have to place all the odd placed node, not the number. So here it is given. Please note we have to take about the node number, not the value. So odd placed node number is this 2, 3, 6, and 7. So 2, 3, 6, 7 will be printed first, then followed by 1, 5, 4, and null. So simply what we are going to do is taking three variables. Okay, odd, even, and even head. Odd will point to head, even will point to head next, and even head will point also to even next. Because what we are to doing after that one, what is pointing to second node, we have to point to the third node, and second node must be point to fourth node, and third node must point to fifth node. Because we have to firstly place first node will point to third, third will point to 5, fifth will point to 2, 2 will point to fourth, and fourth will point to null. So for updating the next pointer means this is the structure of node in a linked list. So for updating the first node link part, we have to be on the second node as well, because second node link part will contain the address of third node. So we are using even here. Even head is used because after we we came to 5, there is something we have to remember which node is the first even node that we have to connect with the fifth or the last odd node. That's why even will be there. Odd and even will be iterated and incremented, or the link part will be updated, but even head will be constantly pointing to the first even node. So these three are initialization same. Even will be here with the head next means this pointer. Odd will be head means this pointer. Even head will be even means this pointer. Okay. Now we will iterate till even not equal to none means even become pointing to null. Till then we have to iterate. The first statement what we are going to do is odd next is equal to even next. Odd next field which is pointing to 2 has to be the even next. Even next means third. This pointer is created. Now if odd next is 3 now, is not none, yes correct, then even next this pointer field 3 will be updated with odd next. Odd next means this link will be created, updated. Okay, now if it is executed, then else will not execute. Then again, if odd next is not null, yes, then what we have to do, odd should be simply incremented by 1. So odd will be incremented with odd next means now odd will point to this pointer will be removed. Okay, now after that this statement will execute. Even is equal to even next. Even is pointing to this, and even next is pointing to this, so this will point to now 4. Simple it is, just updating the pointer. If not null, then again the while loop will run. If while is not equal to null, while is pointing to 4, yes it is not null, then again odd next should be equals to even next. Odd pointing to this, and next part which is right now pointing to 4 will be updated with even next means 5. This link will be created. Now if odd next is not none, odd next now is this not null, yes correct, because odd next is null. So odd next is none. So what we are going to do, even next should be equals to even, and next right now here is equal to odd next means odd next means this link will be created, and this link will be removed, this link will be removed, this link will be removed, and this dark line, this 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 and this will be created. Now after that, if again even is equal to none, yes even is equal to sorry, this statement is still execute. Odd is equal to odd next. So odd equals to odd next means this link will be removed and odd will point to this, and after that even equal to even next means even next will point to this. Okay, means odd is pointing to 5 and even is pointing to null, while even not equal to null. Yes, correct, even equal to null. So condition not satisfied, you come out from the loop, and what will you going to do? Odd next means this next part, now this link will be removed and updated with even head, means even head is pointing to this too, and something like that. This link is created, this link is created, this link is created, this link is created, this is broken, this is broken, this is broken, this is broken. Now this will broke up and will point here too, means this link is created. So and now we have to return head. Head is already constant, is pointing to here, so head 1, so here is output 1. Then head next is pointing to 3, so 3, 3 is pointing to 5, so 5, 5 is pointing to 2, so 2, 2 is pointing to 4, so 4, and 4 is pointing to null, so null, and this is our desired output. So simply what we are going to do, we have to use even and odd pointer. Even will be one ahead of odd, and we have to update odd next with the even next, and if odd is not null, then we have to increment update even next with odd next and odd with odd next, and at the last even will be incremented with even next. Simple. So what we have used in the Python code as well here, simple. If head is equal to null, this is because if head is none, if there is an empty linked list, if there is empty linked list, then that should be returned as same, then we have to return the head only. Then we have declared even as even and odd and even head, which we have discussed, and we have iterated this loop till even become not null, and we have incremented iteration part we have discussed. At the end, what we have done, odd next will be equals to even head, means when and this even point to null, then we have to point odd next, means odd and next will with the even head, which is even head is pointing to this too. Okay, and after that we have to return head. So if we return head, then what is going to do is, firstly when head is at 1, 1 is pointing to 3, so 1 3, 3 1 3 is here, 3 is pointing to 5, so 3 is pointing to 5, 5 is again pointing to 2, 5 is pointing to 2, and 2 pointing to 4, 2 point to 4, and 4 point to null, and this is our desired actual output. Means the first odd nodes are here, then followed by even nodes. So let's submit the code. Okay, right now I have no internet as such. Just hold on. So here is it is accepted. So for the raw code for Python, C and Java, Python, C++ and Java, it is available at my GitHub profile, and the link will be given in the description. In my GitHub profile, you have to go to the LeetCode challenge. Here you will say day 16. So here it is. Here it is a Python solution. It is a C++ solution. In this also odd, even, and T1, T2 for variable are used, pointer variable. Here is Java. Here is the same as well, P1, P2 and pre, and that was the code. And if you face any issue, just raise an issue here. I will try to resolve as soon as possible. So here is this detail. 71 out of 71 test case passed. 85% faster in Python 3 because we have used only 3 variables, and here is the code which we have submitted for this. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.